The Prusa CORE One is a 3D printer for people who want a tool, not a toy. It trades the wow factor of LiDAR and AI for the quiet confidence of industry-leading reliability and repairability. Buy this if you print engineering materials like ABS, ASA, or PC regularly and need dimensionally accurate parts without warping. You value long-term repairability and want a machine you can service easily in 5 years. You are already in the Prusa ecosystem and want a compact CoreXY machine that shares parts with your MK4. Skip this if you strictly print PLA for cosplay or toys. A Bambu Lab P1S or A1 will save you money and do the job just as well. You need multicolor printing right now. The MMU3 support is coming but isn't integrated like an AMS system yet. You want a plug-in and never touch a screw appliance.